What is the area in square feet of a poster that measures 27 inches by 42 inches? Express your answer rounded to the nearest hundredth of a square foot. Now there are two ways to approach this problem, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first way is to say, well, we need area. So if I have a poster, right, this poster is 27 inches by 42 inches. And to find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length times the width. So 42 times 27 gives me 1,134 square inches. So that's the area, but that's not what this problem is asking. It's asking for square feet. So I've got to take that 1,134 square inches and I need to change it to square feet. Well, if you recall, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. But inches and inches squared is not the same. Inches squared is like taking inches times inches, 2 of them. So I need to use this conversion twice because inches times inches is inches squared. So the exponent tells you how many times you need to use a conversion factor. And now you'll see in our numerator I have feet times feet, which is feet squared. So because both of these 12s are in the denominator, all right, I would take 1134 divided by 12 because any number in the bottom means division, and I would end up to the nearest hundredth at 7.88 square feet. And that is option number 1. Option number 2 is saying, okay, we've got a poster. It's 27 inches by 42 inches. Well, we don't want inches, we want feet. So you could say, well, 27 inches. There are 12 inches in a foot, so this is 2.25 feet. And 42 inches, there are 12 inches in a foot, so this is 3.5 feet. Now I can say, well, to find the area, 2.25 feet times 3.5 feet gives me 7.88 feet squared. And in this particular case, you would get the exact same answer no matter which way you do it. This way, you have to be a little bit careful. I mean, in our case, these both came out nicely. They both terminated. If they would end up being a repeating decimal and you round, right, the more you round an answer, the less exact you are. So you always want to be as exact as possible up until the very end, and then you will round at the very end of your answer.